Okay, in this example, we're going to take a look at how the discriminant can help us determine the number and types of solutions to a quadratic equation before we even start really working with the problem. So keep in mind the discriminant is the b squared minus 4ac out of our quadratic formula. So remember that quadratic formula looks something like this. This part here is called the discriminant. So we're going to just substitute in our values for, remember, a, b, c into just this portion of the equation. So I'm going to type in my -2, I'm going to substitute in my 5 and my 9, and then I'm going to do that calculating. I would use the calculator for that, and I would please make sure you're using your parentheses as you substitute in your values into the calculator. Type that in, I get out the answer -176. So keep in mind, this -176 is going to be underneath the square root sign, and we know when we square root negative numbers, we get imaginary solutions. So I know just based on that number that I'm going to have 2 imaginary solutions. Furthermore, that tells me that that graph of the parabola is not going to cross the x-axis. So that's how you use the discriminant theorem. It's kind of a handy way to give you an idea of what's happening